This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Synergy SD24 is a Class C RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach and features Sleeps 5, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Synergy South Dakota 24 is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.